Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so you can remove folders without permission errors. Once launched, change directory to the folder parent using CD and the full path. Make sure to verify the path visually or with dir to avoid mistakes. If the folder name has spaces, wrap it in quotes. These steps give you the correct context and privileges to run deletion commands safely and immediately. Now remove the folder with rmdir. Use rmdir/s/q folder name to delete the folder and all contained files and subfolders without prompting. This is useful for scripts or batch work. If the folder is empty, rmdir folder name suffices and avoids recursion. Once done, run dir to confirm removal or check the parent path in Explorer. Use quotes for names with spaces and be deliberate because rmdir permanently removes files from that location. If rmdir fails due to permissions or locked files, take ownership and reset permissions. Run takeown/f folder name /r then icackles folder name /grant administrators f/t. Once ownership is set, you can run rmdir or use PowerShell. Remove item recurse force C /path folder name, which handles stubborn items. If a process locks files, close it or reboot into
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.